Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so if you're wondering, girl, what is on your head? My hopes and dreams, and also the topic of today's video. Okay, so first things first, if you're wondering why have I willingly put myself in the internet like this, because I'm fixing it. That's today's video. We will be reviving, recutting, relayering, bringing this baby back to life, because I have an idea for Valentine's Day shoots and I don't want to buy a new wig, and I just never really got a good wear out of this one. I don't think I've ever posted in it, and ironically I got this in like 2018 for a Valentine's Day shoot and then never did it. I was young, I was just getting into wigs, didn't know what to buy, definitely bought the wrong one, thought this was a lace. It's not. You know, my ability to embarrass myself on the internet is a talent. I mentioned in my 2004 bingo list that if you wanted to change yourself this year, you can do it every single day. And that I will definitely be doing that by getting more into wigs. And that means actually taking care of the ones I have. I was actually so conflicted on getting this one because I feel like this shade of red drains me. And that's funny because when I actually dyed my hair red, it was very similar to this shade. Another reason I'm reviving my red one is if it looks decent enough, this will be a substitute of the nagging urge to re-dye my hair. I'm trying not to bleach, dye, or murder my hair this year. It's still growing back. And it is just hair, but I have It's Just Hair burnt my hair off at least 3 times now. So you know, at some point, I will have to learn the lesson. I just can't stand super long hair. It's not a bad wig. It's a very synthetic one because, you know, I was broke. So what will we be doing to this beautiful, beautiful mermaid hair? Cutting it. I can't stand long hair anymore. I don't even like my real hair to get that long anymore. As soon as it touches my shoulders, the scissors start whispering my name. I can't. Also, I just goofed those bangs up so bad. I arguably was never good at bangs. I cut them and then slapped a hat on. You know, that fixes them. This, you can tell, I did not just cut this right. This shortens my face. I want to open this area up more. I'm gonna be sounding like a hairstylist. Wrong. Anyway, I want to fix these side pieces to make them, you know, open my face and not very grudge-like. And I want to take off at least that much because these are horribly dead synthetic ends anyway. And I'm gonna add more layers to thin it out. It's so thick. There was a point in my life my hair was this long and I hated every single second of it. And this is just, maybe it's just because I grew up, my mom didn't let me cut my hair, do anything to it. She just was not into the whole customization of your sim type of person. She didn't like it. She didn't like any of it. So I was not allowed to touch or do anything to my hair for a very long time, which is why I obviously played with scissors in high school. I created myself my own emo cut, which was the best thing I could get because I wasn't allowed to do any of the emo things I wanted to do. Speaking of which, my next coming video will be another hair customization, but it's gonna be my first closure sew-in, and I'm so excited because I wanted one for a very long time. And I couldn't find a stylist near me that, 1, rules didn't make me want to blow my brains out, and 2, wasn't that far away, and 3, wasn't that expensive. You know, I was fighting the odds with this one, but I found one, and she's not that far away, and she's not that expensive, so I got to get the hair bundles and make the appointment. And I'm gonna take you along. It's gonna be a cute little vlog. But the best part of it is that when the hair is all done and everything, I'm ordering these. I'm gonna be living my 2012 dreams so bad. Oh my god. My sister's kind of bullying me for it. She's like, why do you have to be weird? That's not weird. I am letting my inner child express herself. She wasn't allowed to do anything, and now she's going to do everything. Anyway, let's get started with this one. I'm gonna start by splitting this beautiful woman, almost a bad word, down the middle, because we're immediately chopping it off. You remember days you could just mute your video and then play your favorite song in like fast motion, fast forward. I feel like copyright ruined the fun of YouTube. You can't play anything without getting copyrighted. This is not a tutorial, by the way. You're just witnessing a possible failure. I'm out here looking like Wendy's. I'm serving Nepo baby. And they're gonna just do another tie to really secure it so it doesn't mess up too bad. If you were a professional, you would do this better, but I'm not. Chop, 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 chop. I kind of don't care how bad it's cut right now because I'm gonna fix it. Boom. That was cut horribly. Perfect. I just needed a majority of this layer off. What? on brand for me. Very on brand. We're starting off great. I'm getting active too. And then we're gonna combine it to fix it. Every hairstylist is like, Jesus Christ, thank God it's fake hair. I've done this with my real hair. Let's just see my actual cut. It's so mullet. Looking like mullets, because that's exactly what it looks like. Why is this so much harder than I thought it was gonna be? The other one did not take this long. It's just so therapeutic. This is how I feel when I'm cutting my actual hair. I'm like, dead spirits, get away! Is it noticeably crooked? Nope. Stand too close to me, you see that's crooked, back up. Short hair looks so good on me. It's a good thing these about to get extreme layers. Okay. Excuse me. We'll fix the back later. For now, we're gonna work on these bangs. Okay, so as you can see, they're my bangs that I did. Very poorly. Oh, Jesus. Holy in a miracle. This goes well. I'm doing my Gara cosplay immediately. We're gonna follow this natural thing that's right here. Ow, why am I parting my real hair? If you don't see my real hair, pretend you don't. This would blend if I had my red hair still. Anyway, you're gonna do a curtain style. Create a triangle. It's not a tutorial, but you know, if you want to follow along poorly, I'm not responsible for your results. Since I already have bangs, this is gonna be a little funny. Hold this up and then trim upward at an angle. I'm gonna slide down as I do it. I'll do it again because I don't think I cut it up. See? We're gonna do specifically these pieces because they are really in my face. But we're gonna be way more drastic with it. Start way more early. Because I want super layers. I might be a hairstylist. Look at that. Oh, the hairstylist is like, look at it. Oh, look at it. Okay. So then for the back part, what we're gonna do, the good old wolf cut. Very poorly done. So if you don't know how to wolf cut, just kind of gather it all up. It's hard to do in a wig. I'm gonna do this off camera. Okay, so essentially you're gonna grab all of the hair and put it in a ponytail. I'm not gonna show you the back because this is not a 360 wig. But it should all be in one ponytail. And you're gonna pull it forward. I don't want super dramatic, so I've done this multiple times. I know what I want. You're gonna do the same thing. It's a slide motion. So you're just gonna keep filling, and whatever feels thick, slide down that shaft of hair. Yeah. Take it out. You see it's already coming together, right? Brush that back out because you kind of have to do another layer. Okay, so now you're gonna part it like right at your ear. Okay, so like I said, just do it again. Come on! Come on! Okay, so this is where we are. I'm loving how it looks. It's moving, it's framing, it's doing what it do. Now this is the part I don't know is correct or how to explain. This is the part I just start grabbing sections and I go at them. I'm like, they call me the midnight barber. Cuts people's hair in the night. I do. See what I mean? Why I literally probably couldn't be able to explain this. Kind of take it. Let the spirits guide you, and you chap. This is why I'm really glad this is not my hair. Because the way this would look when it was not straight would be atrocious. And curls would be not connected at all. Anyway, in the meantime, let's talk about my Valentine's Day plans. I have the cutest Valentine's shoot. It's not professional, it's just me and my camera in my bedroom crying. And I don't know if I'm gonna be able to do it, but I'm gonna really try because I never post on Instagram. I have a couple really cute videos I'm gonna do in February. I don't know if it's cheesy to stay or do like monthly things according to the thing, like during February you do Valentine's theme videos. I just think it's super fun. Okay, now that we're a lot thinner. Oh, thank God. Pull the hair that I teased out. Okay, I think we're done. I've learned to stop while I'm ahead because I've bombed some wigs doing that. Okay, so this is the finished product. I adore it. I don't care if you don't like it because I love it because what it was before wasn't rocking with it. I can't wait for y'all to see all the videos and content and everything that's gonna come from this wig. So I hope you enjoyed this video. That's not a tutorial. So if you followed this and you messed your hair up, it's not my fault. But you will see plenty more wig type videos, hair type videos. I'm trying to be more girly and in tune with my divine femininity this year. Because I just feel like I'm tomboy too much. And that's okay. That's okay. I just want to be a little more girly. But if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe. I post every Friday, and maybe I'll start posting on Wednesdays as well with my WTF Wednesdays. Because there's been a lot of WTFs that I've seen, and I didn't have the capacity to make a whole video about it. And I also just didn't want to be bothered with the emotional turmoil, researching everything on the topic. So I just haven't been doing it. But those 2 videos may be coming out very soon. So with that being said, leave your hair alone, get a wig, and I will see you next week. Bye.